Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Car Heaven. In this video we are talking about muscle car and muscle car to get ready to review your engine and experience the raw power of muscle car as we take you on an underline fuel journey through automotive history from the sleek and aggressive line Ford Mustang to the thunderous roar, the Chevrolet Camaro muscle car have captured the heart of the enthusiasts around the world. These pavement-pounding machines are more than just cars. They are a symbol of freedom and American pride. Under the hood muscle car are of precious engineering and raw horsepower, massive engine, turn the performance, deliver heart-stopping acceleration, and a thrilling driving experience. With each review of the engine, the world fades away and it's just you and the open road. Whether you burning rubber on the drag strip, tackling tight corner on the red track, muscle car provide an unparalleled thrill. Their power and handling capabilities allow driver to push the limit, pushing their own boundaries in the process. Step inside the cabin and you find a perfect blend of comfort and performance. Luxurious material, advanced technology, and cutting-edge information system make every journey a delight, where you crashing the city of embarking on an epic road trip. But muscle car aren't just about speed, they are a statement of individuality, of style, and deep appreciation for artistry of automotive design. Each muscle car